We're over here next to F2 for the first flight, first high-speed taxi. I'm with the instrumentation group, and everything's looking good today. Everything's checked out, and we're ready to go.
I think the company's real excited to get our second airplane up and flying, and it's a big milestone to reach. And we've been working real hard, and everything's been coming together. So happy day when this thing flies.
Well, I think they picked a perfect day for first flight for conforming aircraft F2.
It was amazing. I mean, to see it just take off, that was just simply amazing. I said, I helped build that plane.